What's up, guys? Glim Network Presale is live, and this started few hours ago. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can participate in the Glim Network Presale that is going on right now on their website and also in the application. But this video I'll be showing you how to participate only on the website for now. So it's a very easy thing to do. If you want to know how this works, stick to this video till the end. All right, so quickly, if you want to be part of this, you need to use the link in the description, so you'll get to an interface like this. Even without having the application, you can participate in the Glim Network Presale. So in order for you to join this presale right now, because we are on the round 1 going on right now, which is on the round 1 where it is cost 0.05 USDT. You can see it over here. So that is at the price at which we are buying it right now. So in order for you to jump on this, use the link in the description and follow the procedures in this video. You will be able to get your Glim into your wallet easily. So now quickly, what we do once you get over here, in this box, what you need to do is to write the amount you want to use in participating in this, the amount of Glim you want to get from this presale. So let me say, for instance, I want to buy like 100 Glim. All right, 100. Then you see over here the amounts of whatever it is worth in USDT. You see it here. So let's say 100 Glim will be worth 5 USDT. So I will have to pay 5 USDT to get 100 Glim. So the next box, what I'll need to do is to paste, you need to copy your Polygon Matic wallet address. So you go to your personal wallet, and it could be Trust Wallet, it could be MetaMask. You copy your Polygon Matic wallet address and bring it over here. Do not use any exchange wallet address. Do not use any exchange wallet address. They told us here it is boldly written. It is boldly written here. So take your time and pay attention to this. All right, now let's go to my wallet, and I'll copy the Polygon wallet address and bring it over here. All right, so here we are in my wallet. So now what I need to do, this is Polygon Matic wallet address. What I need to do now is to click on receive, then you click on copy, then you have to go back to the website and paste the wallet address over there. Let's go quickly. All right, so right in this box over here, I just have to paste the wallet address I copied and paste. Okay, good. Now what you need to do in the next box, what you need to do is to write your email address. I'll just put mine over there. Now you have to select a payment method, a method of payment. You have to select it over here. It could be Polygon, it could be Solana, it could be Ethereum, Binance, it could be Tron, USDT, even CoreDAO is allowed. So it's left for you, but any payment you want to use, you have to select it. Any payment method you want to use, you have to select it. For instance, I want to use USDT. It has been selected already. If I want to use CoreDAO, I'll just click on it, and it's going to be on it. It's going to be selected. So let me just leave it on the USDT. Then the next thing to do is to click on buy. Let's go. I'll click on buy. All right. Okay, very good. Now here is what I want to pay for. I want to pay for 100 Glim. You can see it over here. I want to pay for 100 Glim, which is worth, let me see. All right, you can see over here, I want to pay for 100 Glim, which is worth 5 USDT. So all I need to do is to scroll up, and I need to copy this wallet address. This is where I will send my payment to. So all you need to do is, once you come here, you just click on this copy button. It's going to copy automatically. It's going to copy this address for you, which you can go ahead and paste in your wallet. Once you paste it in your wallet, you will be able to send your whatever token you want to use to pay. You'll be able to send your payment to this address. So all you need to do is to pay. Sorry, I won't be showing you that because I want to buy mine via the application. So if you want to also watch and you want me to show you how to buy it via the application, you should subscribe to my channel right now. You click on the notification bell sign so you don't miss out once I post a video on how to buy with the app. Right, so here is the reason why I won't be able to make the video of how to purchase on the application right now. So they have too much of traffic right now going on the application. A lot of people want to buy, and a lot of people want to log in, a lot of people want to deposit, a lot of people want to do things on the application at the same time. So it's costing a heavy traffic and it's making everything a little bit buggy. So guys, you need to stay tuned. If you want me to make the video on how to purchase, how to participate on the pre-sale with the application, you need to go to the comment section and leave a comment there, and it's going to motivate me to do that for you. And also you need to also join my Telegram group where I drop updates. You need to also join this Telegram group where I drop updates more often, more frequently before coming to even YouTube, you know. So I drop more updates here. So the link is also in the description of this video. Go down there, join us, and you are going to be getting updated in everything you need to know. I'm going to be posting lots of updates soon for you guys to see. So take your time, you can join and also scroll through. You will see lots of updates that are already posted there. So take your time and go through it. So quickly, that's all you need to do for now. You just send and you will receive your payment. Once the payment is received, you will also get a message from them telling you the payment has been successful, and also telling you when you are going to receive your Glim in your wallet. You get it? So you need to take your time to go through this before you participate. You can also pay using the barcode that is over here. You can take your time to do that. If you wish, you can use the barcode to, all you need to do is to scan it and payment will be made. So after everything, take your time to read what is here. I think this is some details you need to know, that after the pre-sale event ends, your purchased amount of Glim that you bought will be sent to your Polygon address. You see, you're going to receive it in your wallet. Any amount of Glim you bought will be sent to you after the pre-sale. So that is the simple steps in which you can use in participating in the Glim Network pre-sale on their website. So I'll make another video for the application, and if you're interested, please leave in the comment section and tell me that yes, you are interested. Write in the comment section so that I will be motivated to do this. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like what I showed you, and please subscribe to my channel. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, subscribe, and don't forget to click on the notification bell sign for notifications once I upload another brand new update. So guys, I see you again in the next video. Bye.